few days ago, to be precise, Congress party alleged that the BJP ex-Chief Minister Manohar Bhai Parrikar was the person who awarded the Mopa Airport consultancy to Louis Berger International. This same sentiment was echoed by another ex-minister, Mr. Churchill Alemao. The documents which I am putting before you clearly expose this lie. It is a white lie. The case of Louis Berger consultancy and then Congress government partnership scams are becoming more and more curious by the day. First it was JICA. Now it is MOPA. What we want, what the Bharatiya Janata Party wants, is that the people of Goa should know the truth about the award which was given to Louis Berger of MOPA consultancy. And for that, I am giving you complete documentary proof. Administrative approval was on 8/4/2011 and financial approval was on 13/4/2011. Within just 2 days, 48 hours, this agreement is signed. Super fast. What was the hurry to sign this agreement within 2 days? And surely in 2012, Manohar Bhai Parrikar and BJP were not in power. So that lie that this consultancy was awarded by BJP government is nothing but a white lie. Louis Berger Consultancy, who took about 3 crores and odd, Louis Berger Group USA, Amam and Whitney USA, Gensler and Associates USA, all these payments were broken. And that too in 2012, before the BJP government came to power. These facts, which I am giving you to clear documents, clearly showed that Bharatiya Janata Party had nothing to do with the awarding of contract of MOPA. And therefore, we have asked the government to order an immediate probe into this awarding of contract in this MOPA consultancy case. Number one, investigation in full details of this contract, whether there has been a cabinet approval, and importantly, whether any efforts were made by the government to bring down the bid, because it was the highest bidder, whether any attempts were made to bring down this bid, this payment. And why this haste of 48 hours? What was the hurry to make payments within 48 hours?